Hey guys, a little bit of a life hack today. I had an epiphany. So everybody's been saying drink more water, you have to drink more water, stay hydrated. The whole thing can sometimes be exhausting, especially when you start to get sick of the non-flavor of water, where you're eating something that requires in your palate to have a little bit better flavor than to be non-existent. And I thought, where can I get water from that is not from a tap or a bottle that would typically be sold as water? And I came up with beer. Beer is 90% water. It's chock full of antioxidants. The hops are anti-inflammatory. They lower cholesterol, help you relax a little bit. Malted barley also helps lower cholesterol. It really has some fiber in there also to help with, different things inside of it. Beer is actually a very, very healthy drink, believe it or not. So I thought, how do I not undo all of that good stuff and still take advantage of having beer? Maybe it's reducing stress or maybe kidney stones. All these improve your memory. Beer does a lot of great stuff, like a miracle drink. But the alcohol can sometimes be a deterrent, and basically people will look at you a little funky if you're always drinking beer. So I found this. Heineken 0.0. 0.0 is the amount of alcohol that is inside of this wonderful invention. So it does taste slightly different than regular Heineken because they use an A series yeast, so it does a little bit different chemical process. But overall, it's a great substitute. And if you hold it like this, label side in, people don't know. Say, look, I'm driving in my car, I'm drinking. I'm walking around public areas drinking. You're at a family event. Start pounding these down. See how the family treats you. They may actually want some. Maybe you won't be at the same level as they are. Maybe you're in a family full of drinkers. But the idea behind this is it's a great way to get the health benefits of beer and a little bit of hydration in the process. There are a number of different types. I also have tried this, Klausthaler. This is actually a German beer. This is Heineken Holland. They're just really a nice change of pace, especially if you're drinking a lot of mixed drinks or things that are a little more strong. You can mix these in rather than water. No one really wants to see you walking around a bar with water. But if you pour one of these in a glass, people wouldn't even know. I think it's a great life hack, great way to take advantage of all the benefits of beer without all of the downsides of drinking too much alcohol. So hopefully that helps. A lot of people overlook the non-alcoholic beer because it's not real beer. Well, it's same hops, same malted barley, same water. The difference is the yeast that makes the chemical reaction that gives you all of the goodness in the bottle. So, give it a try. Be a great social experiment. Remember, funnel a couple of these and see how people start treating you. Great talking with everybody. But until next time, get a buzz with your cuz unless you don't.